Creating a website in 2025 no longer requires coding knowledge, design experience, or a large budget. Wix has evolved into one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly website builders available, offering advanced tools that make professional web design accessible to everyone. This tutorial provides a complete overview of how to build, customize, and publish a website using Wix in 2025, while also exploring the newest features, best practices, and tips for long-term success. Introduction to Wix in 2025. Wix is a cloud-based website builder that allows users to create websites through a visual drag-and-drop interface. By 2025, Wix has expanded far beyond simple website creation. It now includes artificial intelligence design tools, advanced e-commerce capabilities, built-in marketing solutions, and performance optimization features that rival custom-built sites. Wix is used by individuals, small businesses, freelancers, content creators, and even large organizations. Whether you want to create a personal blog, an online store, a portfolio, or a corporate website, Wix offers templates and tools designed for each purpose. The platform is entirely browser-based, meaning you can build and manage your site from anywhere without installing software. Getting started with Wix:/to begin, you need to create a Wix account, visit the Wix website and sign up using an email address, Google account, or social login. Once logged in, Wix will ask you a few questions about your goals. These questions help Wix recommend the best design approach for your needs. Wix offers two main ways to create a website. The first is Wix ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. Wix ADI automatically creates a website for you based on your answers to a few questions. The second option is the Wix Editor, which gives you full manual control over the design and layout. For beginners or those who want a quick setup, Wix ADI is a good starting point. For users who want complete creative freedom, the Wix Editor is the better choice. In 2025, both options are powerful, but the editor provides more flexibility. Choosing a template. If you choose the Wix Editor, the next step is selecting a template. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed templates categorized by industry and purpose. These include business websites, online stores, blogs, restaurants, portfolios, fitness sites, and more. Templates in 2025 are fully responsive, meaning they automatically adjust to desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. When choosing a template, focus on structure rather than colors or images, since all elements can be customized later. Once you select a template and start editing, you cannot switch to another template without rebuilding the site. Therefore, take your time to choose one that closely matches your vision. Understanding the Wix Editor interface. The Wix Editor is a visual, drag-and-drop environment. The main workspace shows a live preview of your website, while the left-hand panel contains all editing tools. The main menu includes options to add elements, manage pages, change site design, add apps, and adjust settings. You can click any element on the page, such as text, images, or buttons, to customize it directly. Wix uses a section-based layout system. Pages are divided into sections and strips, which help keep designs organized and responsive. In 2025, Wix has improved alignment tools and smart guides to ensure professional spacing and consistency. Adding and editing content. Content is the heart of any website. Wix makes it easy to add text, images, videos, and interactive elements. To add text, click the Add button, choose text, and select a text style. You can edit fonts, colors, sizes, and spacing. Wix offers a wide range of modern fonts and allows you to upload custom fonts on premium plans. Images can be uploaded from your computer or selected from Wix's built-in media library, which includes thousands of free stock photos and videos. In 2025, Wix also includes AI-powered image enhancement tools that automatically optimize images for quality and loading speed. Videos can be embedded from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or uploaded directly. Wix supports background videos, which are popular for modern homepage designs. Managing pages and navigation. Every website needs clear navigation. Wix allows you to add unlimited pages depending on your plan. To manage pages, open the Pages menu and add new pages such as Home, About, Services, Blog, and Contact. Each page can have a unique layout and design. You can also create dynamic pages, which automatically generate multiple pages from a single design using data collections. This is useful for blogs, product listings, or real estate listings. The site menu can be customized to display pages, dropdowns, and links. In 2025, Wix menus support advanced animations and mobile-specific layouts, ensuring smooth navigation across devices. Mobile optimization. Mobile optimization is essential in 2025, as most users browse the web on smartphones. Wix automatically creates a mobile version of your site, but you can customize it separately. Switch to the mobile editor to adjust layout, font sizes, and element visibility. You can hide certain elements on mobile to improve performance and readability. Wix also includes mobile performance indicators that help identify elements slowing down your site. Optimizing images, reducing animations, and simplifying layouts can significantly improve mobile user experience. Using Wix apps and integrations, the Wix app market allows you to extend your website's functionality. Apps include contact forms, live chat, booking, systems, email marketing tools, and social media integrations. In 2025, many apps are powered by artificial intelligence. For example, chatbots can automatically respond to customer inquiries, and marketing apps can personalize emails based on user behavior. Popular built-in Wix apps include Wix Forms, Wix Chat, Wix Bookings, Wix Blog, and Wix Stores. These apps integrate seamlessly and are designed to work together without technical setup. Building an online store with Wix. Wix is a powerful platform for e-commerce. Wix Stores allows you to sell physical products, digital downloads, subscriptions, and services. Setting up a store involves adding products, setting prices, uploading images, and configuring payment methods. Wix supports major payment gateways such as credit cards, PayPal, and regional payment options. In 2025, Wix includes advanced e-commerce features like automated tax calculations, inventory tracking, abandoned cart recovery, and AI-driven product recommendations. The checkout process is customizable and optimized for conversions. You can also create discount codes, loyalty programs, and upsell offers to increase sales. Search engine optimization on Wix. Search engine optimization helps your website appear in search results. Wix has made major improvements to its SEO tools over the years. The Wix SEO setup checklist guides you through basic optimization steps, such as setting page titles, meta descriptions, and URL structures. You can also edit alt text for images and customize heading tags. In 2025, Wix includes AI-assisted SEO suggestions that analyze your content and recommend improvements. Wix also automatically generates sitemaps and supports structured data for rich search results. Performance and security. Website speed and security are critical. Wix hosts all websites on secure servers with built-in SSL certificates. This ensures that your site is encrypted and trusted by browsers. Performance optimization is handled automatically through content delivery networks and image compression. Wix also monitors site uptime and applies updates without user intervention. In 2025, Wix provides performance dashboards that show loading times, visitor behavior, and technical health metrics. These insights help you maintain a fast and reliable website. Publishing and maintaining your website. Once your website is ready, you can publish it with a single click. Free plans use a Wix subdomain, while premium plans allow you to connect a custom domain. After publishing, maintenance is ongoing. Regularly update content, add blog posts, and review analytics to understand visitor behavior. Wix Analytics provides detailed reports on traffic sources, user engagement, and conversions. Wix also allows you to schedule backups and restore previous versions of your site if needed. This feature is especially useful when making major design changes. Conclusion: Wix in 2025 is a complete website creation and management platform that combines ease of use with powerful features. From AI-assisted design to advanced e-commerce and SEO tools, Wix enables users to build professional websites without technical barriers. This tutorial has covered the essential steps of creating a Wix website, including account setup, template selection, content creation, mobile optimization, app integration, and long-term maintenance. Whether you are building your first website or upgrading an existing one, Wix provides the flexibility and tools needed to succeed online in 2025. By taking advantage of Wix's modern features and following best practices, you can create a website that looks professional, performs well, and supports your goals for years to come.